Take a look at this setup. First, the indicator identified a high-volume support zone. Then, price broke below that zone and generated a breakout signal. After the breakout, price returned to retest the same level, and the indicator produced another signal right before the market continued moving downward. This could have given us a potential sell trade entry here, with the stop loss above the broken zone and the profit target placed near the next major support level. And this is only one of several trading signals provided by this indicator. So in this video, I will explain exactly how this indicator works and show you how to use its signals to find high probability trading opportunities. Make sure you watch until the end because we will combine all of its features into a complete trading strategy. Now let's open TradingView and add the indicator. Click on the Indicators tab and search for high volume pivot support and resistance zones. Select this indicator created by Big Beluga. Once the indicator is added, you will immediately notice several colored zones, volume values, labels, and trading signals appearing on the chart. Throughout this video, I will explain what each of these elements means and how they can be used when planning a trade. Let's begin with the support and resistance zones. At first glance, this may look like a normal support and resistance indicator. However, there is one major difference. Most support and resistance indicators simply identify swing highs and swing lows, and then draw horizontal levels around them. This indicator goes one step further. Whenever a swing high or swing low forms, the indicator also analyzes the volume associated with that pivot point. A zone is only created when the volume around the pivot is considered significant. This means the indicator attempts to filter out weaker market movements and focus on areas where stronger buying or selling activity has taken place. When a high volume pivot is detected, the indicator creates a dynamic box around that area. The amount of volume associated with the zone is also displayed on the left side of the box. To understand how the volume filter works, open the indicator settings. Inside the volume validation section, we have two important settings. The first is the volume moving average length, which is set to 20 by default. The second is the threshold multiplier, which is set to 1.2 by default. The indicator compares the volume of each pivot point with its volume baseline. A support or resistance zone is only plotted when the pivot volume exceeds the required threshold. As a result, smaller and less significant pivots are filtered out, while the indicator focuses on high-volume areas that may represent stronger participation from larger market participants. However, identifying high-volume zones is only the first function of this indicator. It can also provide retest signals at active support and resistance zones, breakout signals when a zone is broken, retest signals after a breakout, and cumulative volume delta information for additional trade confirmation. Let's examine each feature individually. The orange boxes represent support zones, while the blue boxes represent resistance zones. You should also pay attention to the border of each box. When the border is displayed as a solid line, the zone has not yet been broken. When the border changes to a dotted line, it means price has already broken through that zone. This makes it very easy to distinguish between active levels and previously broken levels. The first signal we will examine is the standard zone retest signal. Whenever price returns to an identified support or resistance zone, the indicator can display a circular signal. For example, here we have a high volume resistance zone. When price returns to test this area, the indicator displays a blue circle. The blue circle represents a potential bearish reaction. In practice, this could alert us to look for a short position, especially when the signal agrees with the overall market structure. The stop loss could be placed above the resistance zone, while the profit target could be positioned near the next support level or according to a fixed risk-to-reward ratio. Now let's look at a bullish example. Here, the indicator identified an orange support zone.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
Price returned to this area several times, and the indicator displayed orange circles during the retests. The orange circles represent potential bullish reactions. These signals could provide opportunities to look for long positions, with the stop loss below the support zone and the profit target near the next resistance area. However, you may occasionally notice that the color of a zone changes. For example, this zone was originally identified as support and was therefore orange. Later, price closed below the support zone and broke it. After the breakdown, the indicator automatically changed the zone from orange to blue. This happens because broken support can become resistance. The indicator automatically recognizes this change in market structure and updates the zone accordingly. The same principle works in the opposite direction. Now, let's examine the breakout signals. Here, the indicator identified an orange support zone. Price remained above the level for some time, but eventually a candle closed below the entire zone. When this happened, the indicator displayed a blue triangle and added a support breakdown label. The blue triangle represents a bearish breakout. It tells us that price has broken below a previously identified support zone. For an upside breakout through resistance, the indicator displays an orange triangle. However, entering immediately after every breakout can be risky. Sometimes price breaks through a level temporarily and then quickly reverses. This is why the post-breakout retest signal is one of the most valuable features of the indicator. After a zone has been broken, price may return to test the same area from the opposite side. When this happens, the indicator displays a diamond-shaped signal. A blue diamond represents a potential bearish retest, while an orange diamond represents a potential bullish retest. Let's return to our bearish example. Price broke below the orange support zone, and the indicator displayed the blue breakout triangle. The broken support zone then changed into a potential resistance zone. After the breakout, price moved back upward and retested the underside of the zone. When the retest candle closed, the indicator displayed a blue diamond. This could have provided a more conservative short entry after confirmation that the broken support was now acting as resistance. A possible entry could be placed after the blue diamond appears. The stop loss could be positioned above the broken zone, while the profit target could be placed near the next major support area. For the highest quality setups, avoid taking every signal produced by the indicator. Instead, focus on situations where multiple conditions align. Look for a clearly defined high-volume zone, a confirmed signal, supportive cumulative volume delta, sufficient space before the next opposing level, and market structure moving in the same direction as the trade. However, remember that no indicator will produce winning trades every time. Always test the strategy on historical market data and in a demo account before risking real money. That brings us to the end of today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this indicator and whether you would use it in your own trading strategy. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to Trippa Trading, and activate the notification bell so you do not miss our upcoming strategies and indicator tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and good luck with your trading.